Hey everybody, welcome back. So I know if you're following current world events right now, it's some pretty scary prospects going on in the world right now, and I know a lot of you have questions. I have those questions too, like how am I going to be able to enjoy my hobby of model railroading in a nuclear apocalypse? Well, I'm going to answer that question here for you today with this piece here, which is actually a lithium-ion battery pack which has USB outputs, and of course it also has some actual power plugs on it. And we're going to see if we can actually run trains off of this, and if so, how long. Alright, so I have the power pack here for my Ecos, and I also have the plug here for the Ecos sniffer, which is this Digitac piece down here, which actually connects to my Wi-Fi throttle. So we're going to run the whole shebang off of this. We'll see if it fits in here. I really don't know what to expect here off of this, but we'll see. Okay. Just get this out of the way for a second. We'll go ahead and power up the unit. And when I do that, this should kick on. So I got to hit AC to run the power plugs here. Oh, we got juice. Ecos is powering up. All right, so the Ecos is live here, and we'll go ahead and power this up too. Now this, of course, the remote itself runs on battery already, but the device that it connects to, that is running off the power unit here. Okay, so we're live there. We'll go ahead and power up NS4000 here. And we'll go ahead over on the back track there. We'll go ahead and fire up our steam engine. And while we're at it, we'll fire up our shark noses here. So we got 3 DCC locomotives running right now, and I want to see how many amps I'm pulling here. Fortunately, this has a gauge. So I don't know how well you can see it. Right around 750 milliamps, so about 3/4 of an amp. That's all running off of this. So I'm going to pause the video here and just let this run and see how long I can run 3 locomotives. Well, it's now an hour later, and the trains are still running. I've been pulling a consistent little more than about a half an amp to 3/4 of an amp, and it's still 4 out of 4 bars on the power. So I would expect that you would probably be able to run trains for at least 4 hours off of this thing. That's actually quite more than I expected. I would have been happy getting a half an hour out of it, but this is actually pretty impressive. So that's it for this one. So, if you're chilling in your bunker or in your basement, this is something you can do on your spare time.